Netflix not working? Here's how to fix it. Netflix may be one of the most popular video streaming services on the planet, but that doesn't mean that it's always a joy to use. A reliance on apps, internet connectivity, and third-party hardware can occasionally result in the Netflix not working. The official apps crashing, not opening properly, being unable to play movies and TV shows, or even just loading a black screen on your TV set or tablet. Even though the Netflix app is available on a variety of platforms, there are some solutions for fixing a faulty app that works across the board, no matter what device you're using. Before starting, what device are you using? Put your answer in the comments section below. Solution number 1. Check if Netflix is down. If the Netflix app fails to load, or a film or TV show won't start, it could simply be because the Netflix service itself is down or offline. Before anything else, you need to check if the Netflix servers are okay. Use the link I put in the description to see if there's an issue with Netflix's servers. If there is, there's nothing you can do but wait for them to fix it. Solution number 2. Restart your device. Sometimes the device you are using may cause the problem. Try to restart your device to see if the problem is solved or not. It's become almost a bit of a cliche, but restarting your device will actually often fix a faulty app or system problem. Solution number 3. Check your internet connection or phone signal. If your internet is down, Netflix won't work. Make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular connection is switched on and that your device hasn't been put in airplane mode by accident. Also, try other apps to see if they can connect to the internet. Solution number 4. Reboot your router. If your internet is down or you seem to be connected but apps aren't working properly, the problem may lie with your network hardware. Try to reboot your router, the app may start working as normal. Solution number 5. Update your Netflix app. As with a system update, it's equally important to keep the Netflix app up to date, as the latest version may be needed to run on your device or to connect to the Netflix servers for streaming media. An app update could also fix any Netflix error codes, for example, the error code UI803 that you're getting. Solution number 6. Log out of Netflix and log in again. A simple solution, but an effective one, and it only takes a few minutes to do. Try to log out and log in again to see if your problem is solved. Solution number 7. Reinstall the Netflix app. Often deleting the Netflix app and reinstalling it will fix any problems you're experiencing. Deleting and reinstalling an app is fairly easy to do on most devices, and usually only requires downloading it again from the relevant app store. Solution number 8. Sign out of Netflix on all devices. Occasionally, using Netflix on multiple devices, even if your membership allows it, can cause conflicts within the Netflix servers. This can be fixed by logging out of Netflix on every device all at once. You can do this on the Netflix website in the account settings that are accessed via the top right icon after logging in. Make sure to click on Sign out of all devices, wait a few minutes, and then log back in on your device again. You can also do this from the app on your mobile device. Open the More menu at the bottom, tap Account, and then choose Sign out of all devices. Solution number 9. Update your operating system. Whether you're using a smart TV, gaming console, smartphone, or tablet, you should always try to keep it up to date with the latest operating system, as some apps will stop working if they know a system update is available. A system update can also fix any bugs that may be preventing the Netflix app from working properly. Obviously, we listed this last because it's a bit on the extreme end of things to try do. Solution number 10. Call your internet service provider. At this point, if Netflix's servers are working properly and you've tried all that you can to get the app working, the reason Netflix is down might be due to an issue with your ISP, which is out of your control. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. If you have something to say, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching, take care and goodbye. See you in the next video.